a while back I made a video where I soldered wire onto JST connectors because that's what I had. I used a, I would fold over the tabs and crimp them down. This of course is a JST connector for JST plugs. And at the time, it's just how I did it because I didn't have a crimper, but I have since bought a crimper. And some of you or some people had commented saying, oh, well, it's just because you don't have a crimper. And they were absolutely correct. And so I have since bought a crimper, and I am definitely a convert to the ratcheting crimper world. And I'm trying to do this while filming and the camera's sort of in my way. But anyways, so you position your piece, your connector in the crimper. You pass the wire in. You give your wire a little bit of a lead. You strip a bit of a lead, then you put the wire in. You crimp it down. And then you have a fantastic connection for your JST connector. And it just slips in. The nice thing, of course, with the connector, the actual connector crimper, is that it crimps the ends perfectly so that they properly sit in the connector, in the plastic connector. And I have to say to anybody that had commented going, oh, you just don't have a crimper, you're 100% right. I am incredibly happy with the results of using an actual crimper. So if I may try to find this and include a link to it in the description, but it is a Iwiss Ratcheting Crimper. And I really do like it. It's for like a variety of sizes, both sides. And yeah, anyways, yeah, so there we go. Color me impressed.